I just wanted to say, if you like this video, make sure and drop a sub. I'm really happy that the car is running and driving again. Got to get started on tuning, just waiting on multiple tuners to try and figure out and juggle when I can get on the dyno and all that, so try and be patient. I don't know if my local track is going to be open this year. If it is, I'll probably make some passes on low boost, kind of feel the car out. But I just wanted to say thank you for all the support, all the years you followed the build, and this is pretty much the final chapter for this car, because after I get head studs in it, pretty much it's at its limit. It's going to be chucking a rod out of the block next. So I am going to try and get a 10-second pass on the setup the way that it is. I'll be happy with 11s. If I get that, I can quit with the car and move on to something else. But for now, let's see what she can do. Look at you installing exhaust manifold studs. Well, oil pressure is good, idle is perfect and steady, vacuum is perfect and steady, voltage is good, RPM is perfect. She's at operating temp, pretty much. Going?
Yes.
All right. Double pin. Oh, so close.